everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make your own aloe vera gel at home, and it's just some simple ingredients: aloe vera gel, your vitamin E oil, your food processor, a fork, and a knife. Of course, without further ado, let's just get straight into the details. So as you can see right here, I use the vitamin E capsules, but it was so difficult to get the oil out. So if you know of an easy way, I use a fork to jam it and then squeeze the oil out. If you know of a better way, comment down below and let me know so it can save me time next time around. So I'll link the products I used down in the description box, so make sure you check it out. Right now I'm just cutting off a small piece, then I'm going to cut both sides of the aloe vera, and I'm going to cut it down in the middle, after which I'll use a spoon to scoop out the middle, which is a gel, and I'll put that in my food processor and you'll see the next step. Stay tuned.
Maybe when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel.
So that's what I got from it. Now it's in a food processor doing its thing. So I lost the footage where I strained the aloe vera with, after processing it, just to ensure that no skin didn't get into it, and then I just whisk it with a fork, as you can see. So I did this process just in case, because I make it both for your skin and your hair. If you're using it in your hair, then like the skin or anything wouldn't get stuck in your hair, or even the flesh, because when you use just the flesh alone, some it can get stuck into your hair. So that's why I did all this process. Right now I'm just adding vitamin E oil, and I'm using the capsules. Vitamin E is very good for your skin as well as your hair, and it can also act as a preservative. So I'm just adding that. It was very much of a struggle to get it in, guys. I was using the fork to just stick it and then squeeze the oil in. If you know of an easier way, like I said earlier, just leave it in the comment section and I'll definitely try it that way. Now I'm just whisking around the aloe vera and the vitamin E oil before I transfer it to my mason jar and put it away in my fridge. I use this on my face, like I said earlier, and I think on Wednesday I'll show you another way I use it. Like I said, you can use it in your hair, but I'll show you how I use it that way. And I hope you guys enjoy this, and it's pretty easy to do, and it can save you a couple $, right here. I'm just rubbing some onto my hand, and you can store this in your fridge and use it as often as you'd like. And on to my next video, guys. One love.
You